Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss problem from the AdCoder beginner contest 176. So this is a problem A and the problem title is takoyaki. So what is given in the problem statement? So it says that Takahashi loves takoyaki, a ball shaped snack, and with a takoyaki machine he can make or form at most X pieces of takoyaki at a time, taking time t minutes regardless of the number of pieces to make. So we have to calculate how long does it take to make n takoyaki. So basically here the time is irrespective of the takoyaki pieces. So if we are going to form the X pieces of takoyaki at a particular time, so it will surely take t minutes of time. So we have to reduce the number of minutes over here to make all the n pieces of takoyaki. So let's take an example. Here there are three integers given as an input, n, x, t. So we have to form the n number of takoyaki in minimum number of steps over here. So let's take an example 1. So n is 20, then x is 12 and t is 6. So here we can say to make x pieces, that is a 12 takoyaki pieces, it takes 6 minutes. So we have to identify how many minutes it will take to form the 20 takoyakis over here. So basically this is a grouping operation. So if we divide the n by x, so here we can say it is like 20 by 12, it gives us the 1. So initially to form the 12 takoyakis it takes 6, and for the for the remaining 8, 20 minus 12, 8. So again it will take one amount of time. So and one amount of time it is equal to 6. So 6 plus 6, it's going to be 12. So basically we have to form the number of groups over here with the help of division operation. It can give us the actual result over here. So let's take a code part now. So here I have created the file with the same name, but now if you want to submit this on the AdCoder, so you have to change it to the main file, okay? Otherwise it will give you the compile time error. So in the main function I am just accepting the input parameters, that is n, x, t, and then I am calling the solve function. And as I said, if the x or the n value is 1, then we just have to multiply it n into t and it will give us the result set. So here one of the test cases is given. So here n is 1000, x is 1, and the t is again 1. So in this case we can say x is 1. So straightforward it will make the multiplication between n and t. So result set will be this one. So it's going to be 10 lakh, okay, 1000 multiplied 1000. So if it is not the case, if x or n is not 1, then as I said we have to perform the x by n operation, or sorry, n by x operation over here. But again there are some integer overflows, and it will because whenever first I tried with the n by x operation and it was failing some of the test cases, so I got to know there is a integer overflow problem. So that's why what I'm doing is I am adding this plus x minus 1 on the numerator side, and I am dividing with the x as a denominator. So once I calculate the groupings or the residue, I can say, then I just have to multiply it with the t, that is a t is constant for any number of groups. So if it forms the 3 groups, so for 3 groups for individually, for each group the time will be same. So if for the, let's say if the time is 6 minutes for group 1, then for group 2 it will be 6, and for group 3 it will be 6. So 3 multiplied by 6, it becomes 18. So that is the calculation over here. So if you submit this solution on the AdCoder, so this solution will be accepted. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next one.